Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create Wan AI account. So let's get started with the video. Open any of the browser in your laptop or PC and in the search bar search for Wan AI official website, that is www.wanai.org. Here you will see a login icon at the upper right side. Make sure you click on that. In order to sign up, what you need to do, you can either sign up using the Google account or you can enter the email over here and then click on send magic link. Once you have written the email, you need to click on send magic link. After that, you will receive an email in your email. You need to go and check your Gmail. You will receive an email saying confirm your sign up. You need to just click on the link that you will receive from Wan AI official account. Once you confirm that, once you have confirmed that email, here you will see you will automatically get logged into your Wan AI account, and at the upper right side, instead of login, you will see your profile icon here. So this is how you can log into Wan AI account and you can create an account here. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.